Hello dear students, in this lecture we will discuss about economic importance of rodent, snakes, owl and bats. First we will see the introduction. Rats occur in almost all the terrestrial habitat that support life. They multiply rapidly and soon establish their colony. Rats are omnivorous, feeding on seeds, fruits, grains, roots, insects, snail, and invertebrate and vertebrates bodies. They are mainly foracial, nesting and living much of the time in burrows. They live freely in competition with humans. Damage caused by rat, including grazing of young tree, root destruction, and seed eating. Generally, rat prefer very young plants having a high nutritional value than mature ones. These injured plants remain weak and small. Various species of rats are distributed in different parts and cause damage to different crops. The short-tailed bandicoot rat Neoskia indica is found across Egypt and India. It is mainly a subterranean feeder. The lesser Bandicota bengalensis is found along with Neoskia indica in Bangladesh and Myanmar. It causes 20 to 40% losses in sisal. The soft-furred rat Mileridia milleteda, a paste of sisal, is found in India and Pakistan. In Australia, various crops including seedling fruits and damaged by bark stripping. In Australia, the number of rats increases tremendously, reaching nearly 3,000 holes in about 0.5 in 1 hectare. When the food is exhausted, a large number of rats die and enormous external parasites grow on their dead bodies. Rice-field rat, Rattus agriventor and other species of rat are serious pests of rice. They gnaw the small plants and eat grain in field. Rat as carrier of disease. Some rodent species are reservoir of large number of infectious organisms of main. If these infectious organisms are transmitted to human and domestic animal population may cause outbreak of disease, often leading to high mortality. Second, control of rat. For the control of rat population, various methods are employed which are given below. First, a repellent and attractant. In this method, chemical like cyclohexamide and tributyl acetate are used as repellent. The repellent may be incorporated in the packing material to keep the rats away from the packed food stuff. Various types of attractants such as sugar, arches oil are used to attract the rat to the trap laid from them for them in the field. Sometimes the poisons are mixed into bat, which used are placed in rat burrow. Selective rodenticide like carboxamide, quintos, and brodiforcum are also used. Fumigation. In this method, fumes of chemical like fomafoam are introduced into the rat burrow by suitable apparatus. Rat as food in India and Central Asia, Africa and some European countries. Some species of rat are used as food. The rat Ondelria zibithica is served as a delicacy in restaurant in Holland and Belgium. The canny rat Jornonis swedernius forms an important constituent of the food of majority of the population in West Africa. Use of rat skin of larger species of rat is tanned. It can be used in preparation of gloves, purse and small items. This help in providing job to people and also control the rat population. Second जो है वो है economically important of snake. Economically important of snakes. The majority of snakes are non-venomous and harmless animals. Some of the venomous snakes of India like cobra, king cobra, crab, pit viper, Indian viper, rattlesnake, coral snake, sea snake, etc. Snakes are absolutely paramount to the health of messy ecosystem, the environment and to biodiversity. They are extremely valuable component to the ecological community in which they live, playing several complex roles including that of predator and prey. The natural predatory behavior of snakes are also extremely valuable to human. Many snake species prey heavily on insects and rodents. When snake population decline, the population of these prey items increase, often causing serious problem to people. Insects and other arthropods can destroy garden or enter human habitation where they are undesired. When rodent populations surge, the animal can destroy crop at an alarming rate, affecting supply of food and industry. Snakes are extremely valuable because they are efficient at keeping the number of rodent and insects in check without relying on damaging chemical pesticide which can degrade the environment and harm other animal species. Snakes are very effective at hunting such prey because they can crawl into small burrow and other area that rodent use as shelter. These places are too small for other predator to get into. Snakes are also helping to save the lives of millions of people every year, as the venom from snakes are being used to treat many serious health ailments like cancer, heart, stroke, Parkinson disease, and many more. Disadvantage of having snake in your garden and farms is that they will bite if you accidentally disturb them, and they don't have any of easy access. While many of these snakes are non-venomous, the rattlesnake bite can be fatal without swift medical intervention. Snakes also don't distinguish between bad insects and beneficial bug. They will eat whatever is available. And the third is economic importance of owl. There are many species of owl. They are nocturnal but are frequently seen during daytime also. By maintaining constant check on rodent and other destructive vermin, they are of great economic value of agriculture and deserve the strict protection. Barn owl are farmers' best defense against rodent infestation. A barn owl diet consists mainly of small rodents such as mice and rats. Installing barn owl boxes around home farm, vineyard, garden in the perfect natural rodent control method. A single pair of barn owl can consume up to 2,000 rodents a year. When feeding babies, that number drastically increases. A pair with 6 babies can consume 1,000 rodents in the offspring first 3 months of nesting. Thus, owl can have various roles in an ecosystem depending on the environment. For example, in a woodland environment, the owl population restricts the population of mice, rat, other small animals that it might eat, preventing overpopulation. Also, owl feces add to the soil in the forest, allowing plant to grow. Overall, owl, like all organisms, are essential to ecosystem in various ways. Economic importance of bats. Some bats help control the insect population. Worldwide, bats are the major predator in night flying insects, including mosquito and many crop pests. An individual mouse-eared bat from North America can catch up to 600 mosquito in an hour. It has been estimated that the colony of 3 lakh bats catch 100 tons of insects a year, including many crop pests, thus providing an important service of farmer. Thus, bats play a giant role in agriculture. Some bats spread seeds for new plants and trees. Throughout the tropic and seed dispersal and pollination activities of fruit and nectar eating, bats are vital to the survival of rainforest, with some bats acting as keystone species in the leaves of plant crucial to entire ecosystem. Many plants bloom at night using unique order and special flower shape to attract bat. Wild varieties of main, sorry, Wild varieties of many of the world's most economically valuable crop plants also rely on bats for survival. Examples include wild bananas, breadfruit, avocado, dates, fig, peaches, and mangoes. Many of these are now commercially cultivated and maintenance of wild stock in is vital as a source of genetic material for breeding disease-resistant and productive varieties in the future. Scientific value: the bat have contributed to the development of navigational aid for the blind, birth control and artificial insemination techniques, vaccine production and drug testing, as well as to a better understanding of low temperature surgical procedure. The saliva from the vampire bat is being studied to see if someone a new medicine can be found to help people with heart problem. Food value: in many African and Asian countries as well as Central Pacific Island, bats are normal part of people's diet. Use of bat guano: the bat guano and whole fecal matter of bat can be used for bioremediation of sick aquatic ecosystem for wastewater treatment. Bat guano has traditionally been used as fertilizer for crop in various parts of the world. So this is all about the economic importance of rodent, snake, owl and bats. Thank you.